This is the back of the shower between the wall and the clawfoot tub. We'll come out. It's a little hard to see the face of the shower, but you can see right there where the dark spots are. That's indication of liquid. Then behind, kind of right there on top of the bench, right where it meets the wall. Come on down, you can see right there. So it's definitely leaking some. This is the basement under the shower. It's going to be somewhat misleading. There was a cushion sitting in this great big wet spot, so it probably makes it look a little worse maybe than it is, but the cushion is saturated. And we come up and there's the shower drain. And there's a water spot there, and we can see on the back side of that floor joist just above the water spot is a drain, is a leak. There's water damage on that floor joist where the shower has been leaking.